Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Cesar, and in this free video training I'm going to show you how you can promote an Amazon product in your WordPress site using the widgets area. And first, if you don't have, or if you are not yet an affiliate for Amazon, you need to go down below here and you need to click here to become an affiliate, and you need to respond all the questions from Amazon, and then you can become an affiliate. So I'm going to promote a product. I'm going to put Darren Hardy, and as you can see, this is the book, The Compound Effect. I have this book, so I have here, you can see in the screen, I can promote this with text, image, and text plus image. So if I click here in text, I can put this in the description of a YouTube video, and if someone buys through this link, I will get a commission. Also, I can use the image version, and I can, for example, I can use small, medium, or large. So I'm going to choose the medium, and Amazon gives me here the HTML code. So I'm going to copy this code, and I'm going to go to my WordPress site. I'm going to click here in customize, because I want to put this HTML code in the widgets area. And for that, I'm going to go to widgets, click here in sidebar, and I'm going to add a widget here. I have a custom HTML. I can also go to browse all, and as you can see, here the custom HTML, and I'm going to paste the code, and we're going to see how it looks like. So I have here already this, and I'm going to remove this block. So I have here the compound effect. So I'm going to make a change. I'm going to go to Amazon, and I'm going to put the large image. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it here. Now we're going to see how it looks like. Well, it looks better. So and I can move this one. For example, if I want to put that ad in the first block, let me see what happened. Oh, this one. I'm going to move. This is okay. And then I'm going to publish. And as you can see in the screen, I have here the compound effect. And if someone go to this website and click here, they are going to redirect to the Amazon sales page. So this is a strategy, guys, that you can use to promote products from Amazon in your website. If you have any questions, You can put that in the comments below, and I will be glad to respond to questions. And talk to you soon, guys. Bye.